so this is the Alhpa 6 on the ground and opened up. Again, removable hitch, Honda GX700 electric start, dual jacks, left and right side for really nice stability. Your operator controls. Stupid big cylinder. I believe it's a 5-inch in this one. And they are using a regen valve to help get the oil out of the back of the system even faster. Hydraulic log lift. Hydraulic up and down box wedge. And we are shipping the 4-way with this one as well, because it's just nice to have a 4-way when you need it. The table grate is standard. It is a bolt-on, so if you had to shorten it up for a pallet or to fit in a trailer, you can take that off. We did this one with the, I think it's the 4-inch spacing underneath it here. 13-inch highway tires. Again, I wouldn't go up the interstate at like 80 with it, but you should tool along through town pretty well. Nice big fuel tank, oil cooler, spin-on filter, massive oil tank to let that oil rest a little bit before it gets sucked up and blown back through. Do have a temperature gauge in there just in case you were curious if the cooler was at operating temperatures or not. Again, really nice unit. We do have a diesel on order, and we do have one with auto cycle on order as well, but this one's here for now. So it's kind of a rainy afternoon here at the moment, so probably once this moves on, plus I've got to go find some big rounds to buck up and put on here. But this is our new Timberwolf Alhpa 6, fresh in from the factory. All right, so if I can earn your business with the sales quote, give me a phone call. It's 833-SPLITTER. It's 833-775-4887. You can also email me at sales@shaverequipment.com. I don't think this one's going to last long. I've got a list of people already looking for one, so we're going to work the phone calls on that now. But we'll get your name on the next one if this one does disappear. It just takes a deposit, and we'll take one off of the order that we have ongoing with Jamie up there at the factory. So again, it's 833-SPLITTER, sales@shaverequipment.com. Do not forget to hit that like and subscribe button here on the channel so you can stay up to date on everything we have going on. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.